Hi, this is Brian Pasch, and I'm excited to be visiting your area with Paul DeVries this year. And I'm going to be bringing the latest insights, strategies, and technologies to help you and your dealership team sell more cars and service in a digital age. Some of the topics I'll be talking about this year is an update on the Google vehicle listing ads. I know they're spreading out through Europe. We're going to be talking about updates from the Amazon Hyundai partnership and how car sales through Amazon are coming along. I'll be talking about empowering dealers to use their first-party data and manage it better to have more effective communication and increase retention. And of course, a few updates on Google Analytics version 4 and how dealers are seeing some breakthrough results when they optimize their digital advertising using Google Analytics 4. The great news is the event tickets are free to independent dealers, franchise dealers, OEM leaders. If you're working in automotive retail, please come out. I'd love to spend some time with you and share best practice and new insights. Keep in mind, over the years, the things that I've been sharing in your local market have come to your country maybe a year or two later. This gives you the opportunity to get a competitive edge and early access to strategies before your competitors do. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you, Paul DeVries, for inviting me, bringing the best to your dealership each year through his wonderful conferences. So make sure you mark your calendar, book your tickets, and I'll see you soon.